Some days feel heavy. You wake up, and the momentum you felt yesterday seems to have vanished, replaced by a quiet stillness or a sense of struggle. It's easy to look at a day like this and believe it's a setback, a sign that you've lost your way. But a difficult day does not erase the deeper progress you have been so carefully cultivating. True growth is never a straight, uninterrupted line ascending towards a goal. It's a rhythm, a dance between effort and rest, between moving forward and pausing to breathe. This emotional movement is a normal, even essential part of any healthy journey. One day, a workout feels effortless. The next, lifting the same weight feels like an impossible task. One afternoon, words flow freely onto the page. The next, focus is a distant shore. These fluctuations aren't failures. They are simply the human experience. They are the natural ebb and flow of energy, creativity, and motivation. Acknowledging this rhythm without judgment is a profound act of self-compassion. This temporary heaviness does not cancel out the progress you've made. It is simply a moment in time, not the whole story. Instead of measuring your worth by the mood of a single day, look for the real markers of your growth. Look to the habits you are building, brick by brick. The commitment to show up, even when it's hard. The consistency you've nurtured over weeks and months. These are the true indicators of your forward momentum. Reflect on where you were a month ago, or even a year ago. Notice the subtle shifts in your mindset, the new ways you care for yourself, the resilience you now possess. Progress is found in the quiet dedication to your well-being, day in and day out. So, on the days that feel like a step back, be gentle with yourself. Zoom out. Judge your progress across the broader landscape of time, not by the narrow lens of one challenging 24 hours. The path is long, and you are walking it beautifully. Trust the journey, trust the process, and most importantly, trust yourself. You are moving forward, even when it doesn't feel like it.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.